In this tutorial, we're going to make some basic enemy AI. It'll have two modes of behavior. One, it'll run left and right, and when it bumps into something, it'll turn around and go the other way. And the other mode of behavior is if it's close enough to the player, it'll start chasing the player. And if the enemy hits me, it will kill me. And when it touches something, it'll jump while it's chasing me as well. And of course, you can shoot it as well. So first we need to put an enemy character into our game. You could pick any character. I'm going to choose this soldier. And then let's add a script to it. First we'll program the part where it runs around and moves left and right. So let's start with when the level starts. And we'll start to tell it to run to the right. That's from physics, set velocity X, and let's make it move 100. Also, we want it to be able to fall, so we'll go to physics, down the bottom, set reacts to gravity true. Now I want my soldier to be able to run forward and then hit something and detect that and then turn around. So we're going to use a constantly block for this from events, constantly, and then an if block from control flow. And we want it to check if it's touching anything on its right side. So let's go to physics, and under collisions we want touching on any side, drag that into the if block, but change that any to right. If touching on right side, then we want to turn around, so we're going to copy this velocity block, right click, duplicate, set velocity X to -100 so that it moves the other direction. Now let's test that out. We'll click play, and let's call this enemy AI. And we should be able to see the enemy touches something on the right and then turns around. And then they get stuck there. So we're going to do the same thing for touching on the left as well. So let's modify this if block. Click on that little cog icon and grab an else if. Drag that into there, then click on that icon again to close that. We'll duplicate touching on right side, make that touching on left side, and duplicate that set velocity X block and make that 100. So whatever side it touches, it's going to move the opposite direction. There we go, perfect.